Hello, and thank you for tuning in to this preview of the brand new WordPress theme entitled Be Different from Watch Me Shine. My name is Bridget Bryant. I am your Envato Marketplace author, the creator of this beautiful theme that I hope you will totally love. And I'm going to take you through both the front end and the back end of this site to kind of give you an idea of what you would be in store for when you purchase this theme. So let's do the front end side first. This is the home page, landing page. When you first go to the demo or click the demo button from ThemeForest, it'll take you to this page, and you will have the opportunity to scroll down and see all of the different theme designs that are included in this theme, as well as a few different variations in the header area. So let's just pick a couple of these and randomly kind of go through what's inside. I picked the very first one, the main theme, the different demo page. So this is what that one looks like. We've got the diagonal lines going on here, the bars, the cool graphics and stuff, and you can check this out in more detail later. But what I'm wanting to show you is basically what all is contained in this theme. So under the demos button, you have each one of these is kind of a different, unique web design of its own. And then the last three, you have one that does the sticky transparent menu option, so you can see what it would look like if you want to do that on your own design. You have a Kinburn slider option, and a video slider option, so that you can see the difference between those as well. Then over here you've got pages. So you've got a few different blog layouts. You've got the portfolio galleries in 2 columns, 3 columns, and so on. You've got the hover options. Let me show you the difference between these two. And so if you just gallery with title, I went to I think the 3 column one. So you get a portfolio gallery here with the filtering options at the top and the title for each one at the bottom of the image. But if you go to 3 column, the gallery hover one, what you'll have is the same content but without the titles, and you roll over and you see the title. So that's the difference between those two. And here in the demos you've got each one of these, and then sans category hover just means it's without the title buttons that were up there. Let me go back and show you what I mean. Like, it doesn't have the filter options, not the title options, sorry, the filters they are. So that's what the sans hover one means. Then under sample pages, you've got a couple of or a few different options you've got 2 options for the about page, and then 1 full page and 1 contact page in here. So with this theme, what you do is you go through here and you see what you like, and you can kind of pick and choose and pull together exactly what you're needing in your own website. So this is the about page sample number 1, and then there's another one in here. We'll look at that one real quick so that you can see the about page option number 2. And so, yeah. So it's cute and it's clean and it's got a lot of movement, a lot of graphics and just things to keep your viewers engaged. That's really what this whole theme is all about, being a little more bold than we're used to, and standing out. So let's go back over to another one of the main demo options. So let me kind of explain these buttons maybe at the top, because that'll help a lot. So the home page, of course, is the landing page, the page that has all of the links to all of these in location. Each of these is basically kind of, if you were building one whole website and you weren't sure what you wanted the homepage to look like, each one of these is basically a different homepage option, kind of really for a different, each one is definitely for a different brand, but even kind of for a different type of company, or a different type of business, or a different type of entity of some sort or industry, because the ones that you see here now, these are just the first set of themes that come with this theme. There are going to be new ones that actually have already been built that are going to be included and added. They just need to be tested and finalized. They're going to be added to this theme, such as there's a band theme, there's a Zen blog theme, there's a restaurant theme, there's a fitness theme. So each one of these items is basically just a different kind of home page. And then you have your pages in here that you use to make your about page, to make your contact page, a sample full width page, and then you have your blog page under here. And so when you put all of these items together in one WordPress theme, you have your very own WordPress site customized to exactly how you want it, and what you're basically doing is pick and choosing exactly what you want. So this one is the corporate feature demo. So say for instance you had like a business corporation type company that was kind of creative. This is a good one to use for something like that, where it's bold, it's clean, it's neat, it is creative, but it's also quite a bit organized as well, so that it's not just way out of the box. Let's go and see what the next one is. The tech design studio, like a tech company, or creative agency, or even a photographer would love this one because it's got this great slider with all of the wonderful images in it, and then it goes straight into this nice and clean design and layout for graphics, thinking about the team there getting connected, and then it's got the portfolio gallery down here for like that would be great for like a tech company or a creative studio, or really any kind of business that has something that they want to showcase in the manner. So basically what you've got here is one fabulous, oh, and this one has a different header on it. There's a couple of header options. I mentioned that earlier, and this one's got the more um, the non-sticky scroll one. Oh, but I was going to say, so basically what you've got here is different homepage options here under demos. Then you've got your page options right here. And then you've got these shortcodes, which are pre-built, and they are included in the demo. So all you have to do is copy paste, or even this demo, or I'm sorry, this theme also comes with Visual Composer, which is fabulous, and it allows you to take one page and save it as a template and pull it into any other page that you want. So you can just save these, pull it in, and you've got it. Um, so like these are the design shortcodes, these are ones for layout, and these are ones for like aesthetic views, basically images, and each of these different little items are things you can use in your website, in your web pages, to make it exactly how you want it to be. In other words, the codes menu here is basically the details. So let's look at a couple of them. It's the details shown in different ways so that you know what you can do. Okay, so here are the progress bars. Like you saw a progress bar a minute ago, and this is just showing you different ways that you can use them. You've got a static bar here, you've got an animated one in blue, you've got an animated one in this golden color, a static in the golden color, and that's what you can do with the progress bars here in this theme. Let's take a look at, I'm sorry, I couldn't decide. Let's take a look at buttons. This is a good page to kind of show you. These are all of the different sizes and types of buttons that are already preset and built and ready for you to use in the theme. Let's do another one. How about, let's look at the team members one. So if you have people in your team or things that you want to highlight, I did this one where we have like the one that's bigger in it, and then inside of the other demo pages, I made them all the same so that you have both options. But if you have people that you want to highlight, this is perfect for that, and it connects to their Twitter, Facebook, Google account, and there are a couple of more social media um, platforms already built in that you can put in as well. Let's see, this page kind of overviews the layout of the entire theme, so you can see kind of these are different types of layouts that you can have here in the theme. The different methods of laying out each section or each row. And let's look at one more. Let's look at an aesthetic one. Let's do the carousel sliders. This one shows you all the different ways that you can use the carousel slider that's built into this theme. So you've got the arrows here and it's sliding them, and you roll over for this one and you can see the title. Here's a different one that's more stretched out and it doesn't have the pop over on it, but it does still have the scroll arrows, and it actually even loops back to the front because this one's an automated one. So if I wasn't clicking it, it would loop back to the front for you. Here's a carousel 3/4 width layout, which is, I think, very kind of sleek and really just very neat and pretty that you can use in anything. And this one is for your posts. If you have posts, we have a built slider ready for you to use for that one as well. So that's kind of an idea of what's under the shortcodes. The features is the exact same thing basically. It's just showing you different things that are included in this theme, such as slider revolution, and we already talked about the visual composer page builder. And the purchase button is, of course, when you're ready to go and purchase this beautiful theme, you just click on that. So that is it. That is basically. I was just wanting to make sure that everyone gets a good idea of what this is. It's really a beautiful way for an individual to obtain a website where you've got endless options. And since the theme itself is going to continue to grow over the next however long I'm alive, your options are going to continue to grow, and you're going to continue to always have more things that you can do with this. So I hope that you love it. I hope that you purchase it. And if you have any questions or need support, I'm always here to help you with installation and any other sort of general customization needs, or to refer you for more advanced customization assistance. I think that's it for this one. Let's go take a look at the back end.